Hello.
Okay then.
Yeah, I have already pasted that.
Okay.
Okay. But I'll share it with you as well. Okay,
No, no, no.
let's
So if we share it first, then I then it's in the file then.
hmm. So let's now tell about the dates between. Okay, sometimes remember in our organization, what happens is we need to count, the new customer. Okay, the and how many customers have joined us from their first order.
Hmm.
Okay, which are the new customers, which are our old customers, and how
Hmm.
we are going to get that. Okay, so what it does another use of this time intelligence function is to count new occurrence. That is very important wordings. Okay, the following example shows how you can calculate the number of new customer for over the time period. Okay. So a new customer counted in the time period in which they have made their first purchase. Okay. So this is where the dates between function comes in, and uh, this is a very important word as well. Customer's life to date means from from his first purchase till this date. Okay. This is called life to date.
Hmm.
Okay, there it is a meaning here. Beginning of the time until the last date in the filter context. So this is quite important. When you can see these words, it should be click in your mind that we are talking about dates between. Okay. Otherwise, we are going to confuse between dates in period and dates between. Okay. So let's start. So what I'm going to do, what I am going to calculate uh, the life to date of customers, okay,
Hmm.
which are from the internet orders, okay, internet orders. So how we are going to do it? So let me get it to you here. Let me see what we have used here. Here we have used this revenue and nothing more than. We can use directly the customer LTD. Okay, I'm just making a duplicate of it as well. And here I will use, I'm not using this uh, one here. I will use customer LTD. Okay, let me see first in orders. Do we have channel? Okay, yes, we have channel. In our channel, we have internet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, you got the use case now. What we are going to calculate for?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we want mm, total customers. Basically, we want total customers. Let me check if I'm correct. Yeah. So we want total customers. Yeah. Total unique customers. This means total unique customers from the beginning of the date to this date. Okay. To the maximum
Hmm.
date from where? From the internet, whose channel was internet. Okay. So I just want to get it. So for that, what I'm going to do is mm, customer LTD. So sorry, customer LTD. So what I'm going to do is I want to calculate distinct, distinct, this, one second, sorry. I want to calculate distinct. What? Customers. Okay. And customers are can be shown with the help of customer key. Okay. Or customer ID or customer key, whatever. Okay. So I just want to calculate the distinct customer uh, key from dates between dates. Here is the dates between, and from dates here the max date. The max date. This is the start date. Okay, first it is using table. So first it started dates, then it started with this one. So I think here should be the dates table. Okay, table. Then it is using here you can see in the syntax, huh? Dates, then
Mhm.
it is using the start date, then it is using the end date. Let me check. Mhm. Okay, so distinct fail to resolve name this dates between this. So in between, I am using the blank function. I think it should not take the dates first. Yeah, it's taking it. Okay. So I want to calculate the distinct customers. Okay, from this is the date and the maximum date. Okay, where our filter is calculated dates between. No, this is not here. This should be here. And what was our order? Sales order, correct? Sales order channel was our internet. Internet. Okay. Sales channel was internet. So am I making any mistake? I don't think so. Yeah, it's working. It's working fine. Now let me check. Mhm. It has given me error. Let me check again. Let me first see the it in text formatter. Okay. Let me see it in text formatter. Mm, Let me copy it. What is it? LTD. Mm, Okay. Let me copy it. Paste it here. Okay, what issue do we have here? We are going to calculate distinct customer key. That's okay. That's dates between. That's blank. This okay. The sales order is internet. Yeah, we are correct. We are some facing any issue. Let me see. So what we have to do? We have calculate distinct count sales customer. Okay, okay. Yes, sales customers key dates between dates blank this and this. Yeah, we are correct. We are correct. Then why we are not able to get this result? Here we are using air revenue YTD. Okay, good. Sales key. Let me see. Okay, there is no connection between. Okay, let me see. There is not any connection between the sales order and the customer. Okay, there is no connection between this one and this one because this is already two way in one to one. Okay, so rather than taking customer key from here, we have to take customer key from this sales table here, this one. Okay, let me take the customer key from sales table. Sales, sales table, where is this? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So that's why, while creating a DEX, this is the importance of, the understanding of data model,
Mm.
which column you need to take from which table. Okay. That is very important. Still not giving me the correct value. Let me see what error we can get. Calculation cells order, a table of multiple values was supplied where single value is expected. Okay. Sales key, good. Sales order. This is the, no, it is correct. Let me check what is saying. Variable, we have already created a variable, customers LTD. Calculate distinct count sales customer key. Okay. This dates between dates. Then we have taken the max dates. It's correct. Internet spelling is correct. Internet spelling is correct. Internet, internet, okay, is correct. Calculate distinct count. No, okay, sorry, I have not put here the distinct count. Sorry, my bad. Just put distinct only. Yeah, that was the issue. Because we were calculating the count, correct? That's why.
Mm.
So now you can see we got the correct answer here. Okay, that was my
Mm.
mistake. Okay, so you have seen that we have found the count of the customers who have made their first order till this date. Okay,
Mm.
who made, this is the count of total customer who have made their purchase till July 2017. Okay, and this is the number for August 2017. Okay, you are getting my point now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, okay, now the thing is, you got it. What is the LTD? Life to date. Okay. Now,
Mm.
if someone says, I just want to see how many we have a new customers. Okay. How many we have the new customers. So what do you suggest? How can we check it?
New customers.
Yeah, new custom, because it is added the previous customers and the recently added customers.
Mm.
Okay, so where we have made this, here is the customer. Okay, so what we do not need to do anything here, we are just taking it with the max. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to change here only minimum date this minus 1. And if it is a month, so we can do the month. If it is day, we are going to take day. Let's see what the logic says. Okay. So here we have got, so now we are going to calculate our new customers. Okay. So, okay, it's just, uh, you know, taking only a minus 1. Okay. So this is our YTD. Now what we are going to calculate the new one. Okay. If okay, if you can see this data, okay, if you are just seeing this data, if I'll tell you what how many new customers we got, so what will you do in July? In July, sorry, in August 2017, how many customer we have got? What will you do? You are going to simply 448 minus 289. Okay, that would be your you know the new. Okay, sorry, 289. What was that? 289. 289. Okay, this result would be your the new customers. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you need to only what you have to do is you have to minus the latest month to the previous month. Okay, you have to do just this.
Mm.
Okay, here what we have done is we have made sorry, we have made this calculation for uh, the latest latest date. Okay, latest date till this date. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another for the previous one. Okay, for that I need not to do anything. I just go to minimum, and whatever we will get, I'll just minus it with one. Okay, so now let me put it here. I'm just showing it to you how it works. Yeah, you got it. This is what we got. This the July customers you are getting here. Now we are getting it here, and the August one you are getting here. I'm just getting it here. Now September you are getting here. I am getting in October. Okay. So this is how I have calculated. I have shifted means not calculated. I have shifted it 1 month later. Okay. So what it's showing to me, it's showing me the previous month
Customer.
customers, previous month's customer. So how now it would be easy to you to understand how we are going to get the new customer. It would be easy, correct? What I am
Yes.
going to do, this minus this, it's quite easy. So new customers, what I'm going to do is I am just taking this and I'm just taking the customer, the previous customer. Okay. And I'm just putting it this like this. And now I'm just giving it to you here. So this is our new customers. You got it, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Now what we are going to do is I am not this is the three calculation we have made, but rather than creating these three calculation, though it's okay, though it's quite simple, quite understanding, okay, but you have to deal with the complex, you have to understand the complex measures as well. So what I'm going to do is I will create it as a measure first, sorry, as a variable. Okay, so I'm just creating a new customers customers. Okay, so for that I'm using first a variable. I'm doing nothing, I'm just putting this as a variable. Okay, now I'm just taking second variable. Let me put this one. Okay, this one as a second variable. Where it was here, no, I'm just putting it as second variable, uh, LTD and pre. previous means. Okay, this is my second variable. Now in return, what I'm going to do is, the customer, and I'm just taking this first variable, which is customer LTD. And which one is our variable? This one. This is the sign of variable. Okay, X. Now I'm going to minus which one? The another second one, which is customer LTD pre. This one. Okay. Now I'm hitting OK, and now you can see this is how beautifully it is looking. Okay, and I'm just putting it here. One second. Let me remove it, and I'm just putting it here. Yeah. So it has given me the same result, but look at the calculations. Okay. So whatever you like is, you can use that. You know, as a beginner, I think you should go with the previous, previous one. You have to calculate it one by one. Okay, one by one. First, I have calculated this one. Second, I have calculated this one. Third, I have calculated it this one. So I have went step by step. Then finally, I have created it this way. Okay.
Okay.
So it the hope it's clear to you now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Any issue? Any questions?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. How much time is left? I think we should start. How much time is left? It's not showing. Okay.
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay. So what I'm going to start the another one, which was a comparison, comparatively. Sorry, comparison. Time intelligence. Okay. So I'm just dropping it off. Okay, and I'll start with the new. Okay.
A new meeting?
Yeah, I'm just dropping off this meeting and we will start
But
the new
can
one.
we continue tomorrow then? Or it's early this one? Or because 15 minutes we need to.
Okay, then as you wish, we can start it from tomorrow.
What is remaining? What is remaining? Only this part or the
And
other?
yeah, only the another part of this time intelligence. Not much, but yeah, it is also very good concepts.
Okay, should we continue then?